This is a Lego Technical, in other words, truck with a gun on the back. So, I've got light, it can drive around. So, and then it also has the gun on the top, which can rotate and can change the angle on it. So this is how the gun works. We got motor here and gears on either side. So when you want to shoot, all you have to do is turn the gears, and those gears will go forward, releasing rubber bands. So now I'll load it up. So I've got the rubber bands loaded on. All you have to do is hook it around this peg and then pull it back and loop it around the gear somewhere. And then all you have to do is pull the trigger. So we've got a mission. So here we are, locked and loaded, and we gotta take out that bunker. So, drive up, steer by, and line up turret, and fire. And then take out all the rounds left on enemy people.